Hi. Good morning, class. How are you? How is it going?
Yeah, hi teacher.
Hi, class. How are you, Monica? Are you
I'm
fine?
fine.
Yes, I
Yes.
hope you are all are doing well. Yes, no? You're doing well, no?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Once again, I'm Nanda More and my colleague Vandana Darekar welcome you to program Support to Spread in our second session of English. Okay? So class, as usual, we start our session. Now, last session, we tried the word game type of Antakshari. And this session, we start with our new energizer. I'm going to ask you some riddles and you have to answer me. Okay, class?
Okay, teacher.
Done. Very good. Very good. Huh? Listen to me carefully, huh? And think over it and then answer. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
You have to answer who am I? Guess. Guess. Who am I? Okay?
Okay.
I have big towers. I have big towers, big roads, crowds, malls, big hospitals and colleges. So tell me, who am I?
City. City.
City. Very good. Very good. Inside me, there are so many wild animals. Inside me, there are so many animals living. If I have very big trees, rivers, birds, treasure, everything is pleasant. So who am I? Who am
Forest.
I?
Village. Forest. Village.
Village or forest? Sea. Wild
Forest.
animals living in.
Forest.
Yes, your answer is right. Forest. And next, I have farmers. Okay, I have farmers, rivers, fields, tractor. So many people are working in the fields. And I have also
Village.
very
Village.
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 Okay,
Village.
okay, okay. Huh? Now, I am the king of jungle.
Lion. Lion.
Lion. Okay, very good. I'm a king of jungle. And next riddle is I'm a big building. So many children gathered together in it. They enjoy, they learn.
School.
So who am I?
School.
Yes, school. Very good answer. So we are missing our school no nowadays. We are not meeting face to face. We are meeting on only virtual sessions on Google Meet and Zoom app. Okay, so we're meeting. So we missed our school sessions, no? Okay, no worry about that. And you gave me nice answers. Huh? First answer was city, second was village, sorry, forest, and third one village. Fourth one lion and school. Yes, yeah, means your energy is in high level. Is it okay? How is the Josh?
Teacher.
How is the Josh? Hi,
Hi,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay, how is the Josh? Hi, teacher. Okay, so last session we learned one song, inspirational song. Do you remember that song? Which
Yes.
one was that?
We shall overcome.
Yeah, we shall overcome. And this session we are going to learn a very interesting story, huh? Very. I hope you enjoyed this session also. So let us start our session. PPT, please, sir. PPT, please, sir. So this is the story. This is the two fables. This is the story we are about to learn. Okay, and I hope you enjoy the story. Next,
Okay,
please.
teacher.
Next, please. Now, over to Vandana teacher. You gave me the answer now, forest, city and villages. So on your screen, these are some words are there. Some words are there. In lockdown period, all words are gathered together and they're mingled. They could not find their own home. So you people have to send them in their home only. Okay. So Vandana teacher will read the word. I'm going to write this word on the blackboard and you name their home only. Okay. So over to Vandana teacher. I'm
Okay,
trying
thank you.
to write on the blackboard, huh?
Okay. Thank you, Nanda teacher. Hi, students. Okay, now
Hi, teacher.
you gave the fantastic answer. Okay, hi. You gave the answers of riddles very nicely. Okay, now here is another activity. Classify the words. Have you seen the words on your screen?
Yes.
Yes, no? So there are three homes, three columns, forest, city, and village. Okay, so these are the words related to these columns. Some are related to forest, some are related to city, and some are related to village. So I'm going to read the words one by one. You think about it and tell me which word is related to that house. Okay, shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, so the first word is tower. So tell me.
City. City.
Okay, E. Okay, nice. Next, trees,
Forest.
forest.
Village.
Okay. Ah, yes, village is also correct. And yes, because there are so many trees in the forest and village, there is also we can see trees, many trees. So these words come to two columns. Okay, and city also we can see. Next word is farmer.
Village.
Village.
Village. Okay, good. Trains.
City.
City.
Yes. Good. And next word is Gram Panchayat.
Village.
Village.
Village. Okay, you give me the answer one by one. Not commonly. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you, students. Next, birds.
Forest. Village.
Yes, also. Yes, birds can be related to forest also because we can
Village.
see birds in the forest and also village. And city also there are some birds, no? Okay, but not much more. Okay, in forest and village. Now next word is trekking.
Forest.
Trekking. Forest. Yes, you know the meaning of the word trekking. Yes. Correct answer. Fast life.
City.
City, because Mumbai is our big city, so there is a life is fast. Yes, good answer. Crop.
Village.
Yes, good. Crop related to village. Okay. Now next word is fresh air. Fresh
Forest
air.
and village. Forest.
Yes, good, Monica. Forest and village because we can get fresh air from forest and also in the village. Malls.
City. City.
City. There are big malls in our city, no? So, yes. Cattles. Cattles.
Forest.
Yes. Ha, village. Village is correct because cattle means group of means cows and buffaloes. We can call him cattle. So,
Village.
village. Yes. Next, caves. Caves. You don't know meaning of caves. The
Forest.
lion. Yes. Good.
Forest.
Yes, Anand. Forest.
Forest.
Forest. Fruits.
Village. City. Forest.
Yes. Yes. This word is related to all the categories. Means forest, city also, and village also. We can see. Okay. Industries.
City.
City. Yes, there are big industries in our cities. City. Huts.
Village.
Yes, there are small huts in village.
Village.
Okay, good.
Vil-
River.
Village. Village.
Yes, village. We can see the river in the village. Okay. Building.
City.
City. Yes, there are tall buildings, small buildings. Buildings are in cities. Okay. And the last word is metro.
Metro.
City. City.
Why is the metro city? No? Okay. So you give me the good answers. Okay. Smart students. Okay. Now over to Nanda teacher.
Thank you, Vandana teacher.
Thank
Next slide, please. So we are going to learn a story. Okay. And you gave such a nice answer, na? I think you're very much overcharged, no? So these are the fable story. Okay. What is mean by fable? Fable means is a very short story, very much short, usually with the animal characters or even inanimate things that speak. A fable usually ends with a message or moral. It tells you about the ways of the world and how one should behave in society. Okay, what is fable? Have you seen the picture of fable in the on your screen?
Yes.
Class, please keep your mobile like this, horizontal position, so you can see the picture carefully. Keep your mobile in horizontal position, so you can see the picture clearly. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. So, what is the fable, and what do you find in the fable? Okay, fable is a very short story. I already told you it is very short story. So, first characteristics of fable, you know what is? Only 2-3 characters are there. Not so many characters. Do you know what is mean by characters? Have you watched movies?
Yes.
Yes. So, do you watch that movie? Which one? Bajrangi Bhaijaan?
Yes.
Yes. So, who played the role of Bajrangi Bhaijaan?
Salman Khan. Salman Khan.
Yeah. So, actor was Salman Khan, but he played the role of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. So, Bajrangi Bhaijaan is the character. Okay. So many people we meet in stories. So, these are the characters of the story. So name of the actor is Salman Khan and he played the role of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Means Bajrangi Bhaijaan is the character. So in fable stories, we made 2-3 characters. Okay. And then there is one villain. A hero is there. And characters who dominating somebody. Okay. Hero is always superhero. And what is the role of villain? You know, with a villain with the negative thought, with bad deeds, and he always suppressed, villain. And characters with weak characters are there. Means he faced so many difficulties, and he overcome from that difficulty. And that is the moral of the story. Moral means we learn something new. Every time we learn something, which so many things. Okay, so we learn something, that is the moral. And one more speciality is animal that act like people. Even inanimate things like trees are speaking with each other. They converse with each other. Okay, animals and in real life, animal and trees couldn't speak. They speak with their language only, but we doesn't understand their language. Okay, but in the fable story, animals also speak with each other, and each and every fable gives us some moral, some teaching. We learn something new from that fable. Okay, next slide, please. Now you got the idea about the fables. So
Yes.
Aesop was the Greek storyteller. He was Greek storyteller, and he wrote down so many fables. Okay, and these fables are written by a former Greek slave in mid 6th century BCE. Aesop fables, the world's best known collection of morality tales. The fables, numbering 7 to 3, were originally told from person to person as much for entertainment purpose, largely as means for relying to or teaching moral lesson. These early stories are essentially allegorical myths, often portraying animals or insects, that is fox, grasshoppers, frogs, cats, dogs, ants, monkeys, representative human characters engage in human-like situation. Okay, so ultimately these fables are teaching something to us. So many characters, animals are playing their role. Okay, so this is the picture of Aesop. In Marathi, we people called it Aesop, and his story is called as Aesop Niti. You watch, do you like to read stories?
Yes.
Yes, you like to read story, na? So we are going to learn a new story. Who is Akanksha? Akanksha want to say something? Akanksha? Akanksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to share something?
Yes.
What? Raise your hand. You like to say something? You like to share something?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. What is your question? You want to ask me something or not? Okay, so moving toward the next slide. Next slide, please, sir. Yes. Now watch your screen very carefully. First, watch it very carefully.
And
What do you see?
Tanaji.
Yes. First
Tanaji.
picture is of Tanaji. Second one.
Tom and Jerry.
Jelly.
Third one.
Sanju.
Yes. Fourth one.
Jadoo.
Alien.
Yeah, Jadoo alien is there. Okay. Next one.
कोई मिल गया. जय श्री
कोई मिल
राम.
गया. Yes, yes.
रामायण.
Ramayan. Next one.
Mahabharat.
No, not Mahabharat. It's Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Yeah. And next one.
तारे जमीन पर.
जमीन पर.
Yeah. And next one.
Might Raju.
Mighty Raju. So these are all the films, you know. Do you like to watch movies? No, these are all the films. Basically, films are based on the stories. See, Tanaji was a historical character. It is based on history. It is the story of Tanaji. It is based on history. So it is called historical. Okay. And you enjoy to watch Tom and Jerry. You laugh and laugh continuously. You are laughing. They are doing something actions that will make us laugh. They make us laugh. No, so it is called comedy. What do you call it? Comedy. We make a fun. They make fun, and we talk. We laugh. Okay. And next one is the Sanju. You know the actor Sanjay Dutt?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a biopic of Sanjay Dutt's story. It's a Sanjay Dutt's real story. So this type of story called realistic story. Okay? And Jadoo was the character of, Jadoo played the character of alien.
Alien.
So it is not real character. Science fiction. They developed a story with the science. Okay? Next one is Ramayana, Mahabharata, were the mythological stories. Okay, Pauranic Katha. Harry Potter is a fantasy. There was no magic school, but Harry Potter goes to magic school, no? And he creates so many magics. So it's a fantasy. Tare Zameen Par is the story between the teacher and student. And teacher inspired student to learn something. So, Tare Zameen Par type films are called inspirational films. And Mighty Raju makes us adventures, na? So, it is adventurous story. So, these are the some types of story. Okay. There are so many types of stories. Okay. Do you like to read story books? Do you like to read story books?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So, name the some of the stories you have read. Name the some stories you read. Name some of the stories. Which story do you like most? Have you read
APJ
Akbar
Abdul
Birbal?
Kalam.
Huh? What?
APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam. You read full book or some part of the book?
Parts of the book.
Part of the book. Okay. APJ Abdul Kalam was the autobiography. Okay. That is Wing of Fire. Anyone want to answer? Do you like to read story?
Akbar Birbal.
Akbar Birbal. Tell me the 5 stories that you like most. Okay.
Pari Katha.
Pari Katha. Okay. Next slide, please. See, here are some story books. Okay. See, on your mobile screen, you can see some
Yes.
books. Okay. First one is Kishore. Kishore is the comics. Comics means a magazine for children like you. Okay. Kishore. Then Isap Niti. We are going to learn now Aesop story. No, in Marathi it is called Isap Niti. These are the moral stories. Akbar Birbal, Faster Fene, Tenali Raman, APJ Abdul Kalam's autobiography, Wings of Fire, some Parikatha is there, science fiction, Stephen Hawking's science fiction is there, Yomakesh Bakshi's Rahasyamay Katha means detective stories, some suspense stories are there. Detective stories means someone tracking to culprit and they find it. The story means detective story. So these are the some types, but there are so many types of story. I'm going to learn, I'm going to read types of story, yeah? And you find out where your story comes. Okay, folk tales, parables, horror story. You know the horror story, fairy tale, detective story, mythological stories, realistic stories, anecdote stories, childhood stories like Gotya, Faster Fene are the childhood stories. Okay, political stories, comedy, satire, inspirational or motivational stories, comics, fables, science fiction, fantasy, historical, adventure, wit and humor, school stories, social stories, stories with the twist. Twist means its sudden text turn. It is called twist. Okay. Then tragedy and moral story. Some story ends with a tragedy. Doesn't like that stories much, but sometimes it was very good. So the story ends with the negative thought. It is called tragedy. Okay. So next slide, please. We are going to learn some new words which you are familiar with the stories. You are making familiar with the story. Okay. Now you have to repeat word after me. Yes, student.
Yes.
So listen it carefully and repeat after me. Traveling,
Traveling.
food,
Wood.
Wood.
bear,
Bear.
muzzle,
Muzzle.
sniff,
Nip.
growl,
Growl.
Growl.
slouch,
Slouch.
Slouch.
slouch,
Slouch.
comrade.
Comrade.
Mr. Bruin,
Mr. Blue.
whisper
Whisper.
at a pinch.
Desert.
Desert
Desert.
at a pinch.
And
Pinch.
You find out this word in your story. Okay, so remember some words. Okay, next slide, please. See, this is a story of two friends. Huh? It's a story of two friends. First, yeah, two friends. Okay, two friends and the bear. Have you seen bear? Okay,
Yes.
so
In picture.
huh,
In picture.
first, in picture, have you seen it? Okay, now I'm going to read the story. You have to listen it very carefully, huh? Otherwise, you couldn't understand what is the story. Okay, two friends were traveling together through a wood. Two friends were traveling together through a wood when suddenly they came across a bear. The bear saw the travelers and rushed upon them. Okay, when the two friends were traveling together through a woods. Woods means what is
Jungle.
the yes? You see jungle. You see woods in picture. Here woods means jungle or forest. As they are walking, suddenly they came across. They came across a bear. Okay, the bear saw the traveler and he rushed upon them. Rushed means that the bear attacked on the traveler. Bear tried to attack them. Okay. Next slide, please.
त्यांचा पाठलाग करत होता.
Yes, one of the traveler was good at climbing. One of the traveler was good at the climbing trees. Without waiting for his friend, he caught hold of the branch of nearby tree and hid himself among the leaves. See, one of the friend, without waiting for his friend, he caught hold of the branch of nearby tree and hid himself. Okay. In second para, out of two travelers, one of traveler was good at climbing trees. So without thinking about his friend, he saved his life. He tried to save his life. Okay. He was active. He was swift. So he could climb the tree easily. So without thinking selfishly he climbed down the tree. Okay. Without even waiting for his friend. Okay. He climbed the tree holding the branch and hid himself in the leaves. And he disappeared in the leaves. Okay. And what other do you know? The other did not know what to do. His friend saved his life and other remained down. So he did not know what to do. He had heard that bears do not bother with dead animals. So he threw himself flat down upon the ground with his face in the dust. See, the other traveler did not know what to do. So in this situation, what happened to him? So he think over. He used his brain power. He used his brain before he heard that the bears do not bother with dead animals. Bother means bears did not touch the dead animal bodies. Okay, so he already had its knowledge. So he lied flat means जमिनीवर तो झोपून गेला upon the ground with his friend face in the dust. Okay, he hid his face in the dust. So in the next slide, please. What happened next? The bear coming up to him. Carefully watch the picture. Huh? In the picture you can see the bear coming up to him, put its muzzle close to his ear and sniffed. But the man lay very quietly on the ground and did not even breathe. At last, with a growl, it shook its head and slouched off. The bear came too close to him in another friend and put its muzzle close to its ear. Do you know meaning of muzzle? Muzzle means the front part of mouth. It contains including our nose, mouth. And he find, what do you mean by sniffing? You know, he sniffed the travel. Sniff means to smell. Okay, the way dogs do before eating something or meeting someone for the first time. Dog sniffing us, na? It is called smelling or something. When he met some new person, his smelled us. Okay, but the traveler very silently laid down on the ground without moving, even without breathing. He was pretending to be dead. त्यांनी नाटक केलं मरायचं. He pretending to be dead. At last the bear growled. Growl means a low sound which animal make in their throat. Gung, 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 ऐसा आवाज करता ना, it is called growling. It shook its head and slouched off. Slouched off means he go away with the shoulder down and head down. It is called slouched away. Okay. So what happened next? Then the fellow in the tree came down to his comrade and laughing said, "What was it that Master Bruin whispered to you?" See, when the other traveler came down from the tree, now the situation was under control. So the next traveler, first traveler who climbed on the tree, came down and laughingly asked the other traveler, "What was it that Master Bruin whispered to you?" Whispered means bear said to something to you in your ears. Whispered means secretly talking. Secretly talking. Okay. Bears means whispered means secretly talking without anybody's knowledge. Anybody's knowledge means what did the bear say to you in your ears? The other traveler replied. What he replied? What is mean by fellow? Fellow means another person like yourself in the same situation. Okay. म्हणजे आपला सहकारी. Fellow means a सहकारी. Okay. So you know what did he say? So other friends told him that he told me, said the other, never trust a friend who desert you at a pinch. What he said? He never trust a friend who desert you at a pinch. Desert means leave behind without thinking anything. Leaving behind. Okay. At a pinch means the situation. It is very critical. It is very emergency situation. It is called at a pinch means we need some help, and at that time our friend or our helpers escape from the site. It is called a pinch. Friend who leaves you during the emergency, it is called a pinch situation. So tell me, what is the moral of the story? Previous slide, please, sir. Previous slide. Can you tell me what is the moral of the story? If we name Sanju and Raju, do you understand the story, class?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Really? Really? So tell me what
Yes.
is the moral?
Never trust a friend who desert you at a pinch.
Means what is that? What is mean by desert? It is here desert means leave behind. Desert has two meanings. Okay? Desert means a part of land which covered with the sand, valu, valvanta. It is called desert. And here desert comes as a leave behind in critical situation. Okay? It means never trust a friend who desert you at a pinch. Who betrayed them. Instead of helping him, he saved himself only. He never think over about what happened with his friend. So it is called a pinch situation. Okay. Now you tell me, will you help your friends in emergency? Yes or no? Will you help your friend in emergency?
Yes.
Will you betray them? Betrayed means you broke their faith, or you continue with your friendship.
Continue.
What you are doing?
Continue with friendship.
Yeah, you continued it. Choose your friend very wisely, because you know that friendship is a very, very, very important to us. Friends are our world. So don't betray them. Don't break their faith. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, class,
Okay.
Yes.
do you understand the story?
Yes.
Really? Really? If we name
Yes.
Sanju and Raju, Sanju is very good at climbing on the tree. So he climbed on the tree without thinking about the Raju. And what Raju did? What Raju did? If Sanju climbed on the tree, so what Raju did? Raju
Lion.
Raju saved his life. How? By using his brain power. Okay?
Yes.
Because his brain already had that information that bear do not bother with dead animals. So he used that information at that time only. So it is called presence of mind. What do you call it? It is called presence of mind. And he used that knowledge and saved himself. Okay? And what Sanju did? He selflessly saved his own life. He did not think or about his friend. So Sanju's behavior was correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Why it is incorrect? Why it is incorrect? What is your answer?
Because he left his friend.
He left his friend. And when situation
Alone.
was under control,
Yes.
when bear left out with a slouch position, slouch means our shoulder down, walk with our shoulder down, with a nervous position, it is called. You may call it, it's a nervous position. Okay? When situation was under control, and when two friends again met each other, friend try to be smart and joke about beer sniffing. His friend here and called him comrade. Comrade means friend. Comrade means companion. Okay? What he called him? Comrade. What happened with you? What bear told you? So he behaved mischievously with her, with him only. Okay. To answer him, friend replied, "Never trust a friend who desert you at a pinch." So really, bear whispered something on his ear. Yes or no? Really,
Yes.
really bear whispered in his ear.
No. No.
No,
No.
Oh, no.
no. Okay. But he learned a lesson. He learned that lesson. He never trust a friend who desert you at a pinch. So, friend, companion never betray each other. When we choose our friend, we have to keep our friendship strong. We have to face our situation, any situation together. When we make friends, it is our duty to continue with them. When our friend is in emergency, we have to help them. So when we call each other friend, it is our duty to help each other, develop each other, and grow each other. Okay? So it's a message of friendship, but it is slightly negative one. Okay? One of the friend betrayed his another friend. Without thinking about him, he saved his own life. Instead of he want to think about his friend also. Is it okay?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
Vandana teacher will ask you some small questions. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Over to
Okay,
Vandana
Nanda
teacher.
Okay, Nanda teacher, and thank you. Okay. So students, have you learned the story?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes. And you learned the moral of the story? What is the moral? What is the moral? Never trust a friend who deserts you at a pinch. Means what? Don't believe a friend who lives in times of emergency. Okay. Now, are you ready to give me the answers?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay. Now, my first question is, where were the two friends traveling?
Good.
Where were the two friends? Yes, in the wood. Okay. Okay. Nice answer. Okay. Now, then, Akanksha, you want to say something? You raise your hand, no? Akanksha.
Yes, Akanksha
Yes.
raised her hand.
Yes, you want to say something?
Yes.
Yes, to tell me. Say something.
Share with us, Akanksha.
Okay, thank you. Okay. If you don't want to say, then upside down your hands. Okay. Now, next question. What did they come across? Answer in only one word. What did they come across?
Remember the picture,
Yes.
class. Remember
What
the
did they come
picture.
across when they were traveling?
Deer.
Yes,
Yeah.
bear. Okay, very
Deer.
good. Very
Deer.
good. Okay. Now, third question. What was one of the traveler good at? There are two travelers, no? So one was good at, what is his?
Climbing tree.
Yes, good answer, Anand. Climbing tree. Okay, now next. Where did one of the traveler hide himself? He climbed tree and hide among
Amangal.
Leaves.
among among
Amangal leaves.
among leaves. Okay, he hide himself among the leaves of the tree. Okay, very good answer. Nice. What has the other traveler heard about bears? And the some another traveler was remaining, no? So what has the other traveler heard about bears? That bears do not, what did bears do not? Bears do
He
not,
had a dead bear.
yes, bears do not bother with dead animals.
Dead
They do
animal.
not think about the dead animals. They do not touch with dead animals. He had his knowledge, and so he thought about that. Okay. Now, then, how did the other traveler save himself from the bear? So, what was his thinking? How did he traveler saved himself? So, he had the knowledge, no, that bear do not bother with dead animals. So, how did he saved himself from the bear? What did he do?
Down upon the ground.
Yes,
With
he threw himself flat down upon the ground and with
ground.
his face in the dust. So, and why did the other traveler? Why did he do this? Why did the other traveler lie with his face in the dust? Why did he do this?
Bear.
To pretend. Teacher told you not to pretend to be dead. To pretend to lie to be dead. That he thought he had a knowledge that the bear do not bother with dead animals. So he thought about that and lie down on the ground and and lie with his face in the dust because he pretend to be dead. And the next question is, did the bear really whisper to the traveler? Means when bear saw that the man was lying on the ground. So did he really whisper means speaking slowly, doing
No.
something slowly? Huh? Yes or no?
No.
No, the bear did not whisper. Okay. Okay. Now you gave me the so nice answer. Great students. Okay. Okay. So understand the story and understand the question
Yes.
of the answers. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now over to Nanda teacher.
Thank you, Vandana teacher.
Okay.
And thank you, class also. You gave such a nice answer.
Okay.
Whispering means talking secretly without
Okay.
knowing another person. Okay, class?
Okay.
Here, one of the friend
Okay,
was
teacher.
good at something. Good at something means his speciality of climbing. So every people have some speciality in it. So over to Vandana teacher, she will explain you how to use this phrase, good at something. So here on the screen, you can see some pictures and Vandana teacher will guide you how to frame sentences. Over to Vandana teacher once again.
Okay. Thank you, Nanda teacher. Okay. Now, students, can you see the picture on the screen? Okay. There
Yes.
are some pictures of specialities in person. So every person has a speciality in ourselves. Okay. So how to use good at something. So here are two sentences. First one, I am reading, listen carefully. I am good at cooking. Means what? My specialty is cooking. Means I am good at cooking. So how can you write, I am good at cooking? Okay. And the next sentence is, they are good at playing football. They are. Here subject is they. So they are good at playing football. Their specialty is playing football. So what will you do? You choose any picture of that on your screen and select it and think about it and say that how will you say, how will you use good in the sentence? So first of all, I'm giving you one example. I chose first picture, that is sharing. Okay, so how will I speak about that? I am at sharing, or I can say she is good at sharing. Okay, now students, understood?
Yes.
Understood what we'll have to do? Choose any picture and any speciality and tell me the sentence using good. Okay,
Okay. बोलूं?
okay. Can you? Okay, speak. Okay.
She is a good at a painting.
Yes, he is good at painting. Okay, good. Nice answer. Next one. Come on, fast. Choose any picture. Second line, second row. There is a picture of cycling, no? Can you see?
Yes.
Yes. So, how can you say that the sentence with cycling?
He is a good
Huh?
at cycling.
She is a good. Don't say like that. Means your sentence is correct. She is good. Only say, not adding a. She is good at cycling. Okay. Next one. Now last. Choose anything. Okay. Anyone? Last and
He
flying.
as
Huh?
he
Say.
as good at driving.
Okay. She is good at driving. Huh? She is good at driving. Okay. Nice. Nice efforts you are done. Okay. You have to try as much as sentence you make with good. Okay. Good means when we use good, when someone has a specialty in it. So at that time you have to choose that activity and specialty and make a sentence. You try to, after this session, you have to try to make the sentence with good. Okay. Now, nice students. Okay. Now over to Nanda teacher.
Thank you, Vandana teacher, and thank you, class. You tried, your efforts was very good. And in the next slide, we have to arrange these pictures chronological order. With what happened first, what happened next. Do you watch some pictures on your screen? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So I named them A, B, C, D, E. These are the 5 pictures. You watch it carefully and make chronological order. Means which picture come first, what happened next, Okay, I will give some time to you to observe it. Observe it carefully and make order in your mind. Okay, class?
Okay.
Done?
Done.
Okay. And don't give me chorus answer. One by one, you arrange this order. Okay. First,
E is the first.
which one? E.
E.
Yeah, E is the first. Why it is first? Why it is first? Observe this carefully. Why it is first? Your answer is correct. Come on, describe the picture. Make one sentence. Make
Two
one
friends
sentence.
traveling a wood.
2 friends were traveling through woods. Yes, 2 friends were traveling through a wood. You're right. So E is the first. Next one.
A.
A. Why A is next? Second one is A. Your answer is correct. Why? Third character enter in that picture, na? We find how many characters
Yes.
we find in the stories? How many
Three.
characters? Three. Who are they?
Raju, Sanju, and Bear.
Yeah, we gave them name, na? Raju, Sanju, and Bear. Two friends and a bear. These are the three characters of our story. So third character's entry is in the second picture. They're walking through a wood, and when they suddenly came across.
The bear. A
Yeah,
bear.
yeah, very good answer. And which one is next?
Next. C. C.
Which one? C.
C.
Yes. Eve is the first, A is second, and C is the third. What happening here? See?
One
it
of
carefully.
the traveler was
Huh?
good at climbing trees.
So he climbed up on the tree. What is mean by climbing? This action is called climbing. What he is doing?
Going upside.
Suddenly.
Yes, it is called climbing. And then he hid himself. He caught a branch. He caught a branch of a tree, one of a branch of a tree. He hold it tightly, and he hid himself among the leaves, and he saved. So, what do you call for this situation? See, this situation shows us the behavior of escaping or running away from situation. He is running away from the situation. At the first instance, he without thinking about his friend, he saved his life first. Okay, so it is called. It shows us human behavior that escaping or running away from the situation without thinking of what would happen with the other person of other fellow. Okay, so which one is next?
D.
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 D. Yes. So described it. What is happening in this picture? What is happening in this picture? Come on. See the bear, see the friend, see the another friend also. What he is doing? He is pretending like to be dead, no? Vandana
One
teacher is also.
traveler.
Yes.
Huh?
One traveler is climbing the tree.
Huh? No, we're talking about the D. Your answer is right. He's pretending like a dead. Pretending means to be act like a dead. नाटक करणे सोंग केलं त्याने ढोंग केलं की मरून जायचं because he know that the bear do not bother with dead animals. So he already had this information and he used his brain power and for save his life. So it is called presence of mind. It is every person has it, presence of mind, and we have to use our brain power in right situation. So the another traveler saved his life with using his brain power, and that bear sniffed, and go away. So what bear thought? He was dead. Nothing to be happen with him. So bear slouched away. Slouched away means bear went away. निघून गेला bear. Okay, so another friend is also saved his life by using his brain power. So which one is the last?
B.
Why it is last?
B.
Why? But why? What happened here? What happened here? It's a moral of story. Huh?
Then the fellow in the trees come down to his comrade and laughing said,
Yeah,
"What
he's laughingly
was
asking, what bear whispered? Come on.
What was it that
So what did he
Master
say? What did
Brown
another?
whispered?
What did another friend said? He teasing
Never,
him. He teased him. So what is the another friend said?
never trust a friend who
Never
deserts
trust
you
a friend.
at a
Never trust
pinch.
the friend who betrayed or broke your faith. Okay, or who desert you in the pinch situation. Okay, so the end of the story, I would like to ask you some questions. This is the story of friendship. Is it a true friendship?
No,
Is it a true friendship?
no,
Yes or no?
No.
Yes
no,
or no?
No.
Yes.
no, no.
No.
No, it is not true friendship. Why it is not true friendship? You know that? Why it is not? Why do you call it false friendship? It is not true because one of the friend betrayed another friend. He broke his faith. When we choose our friend, we have to choose our friend very wisely. Otherwise, if you got such type of situation, what will you do? तुम्हाला जर का अशी सिच्युएशन आली तर तुम्ही काय कराल? Will you help your friend?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. If we make friends, so our friendship is every time our friendship should be very strong. Otherwise, it has no use. Friendship is a bound. In August, first week of August and first Sunday, we celebrated. What day it is? It was first
Friendship Day.
yeah, Friendship Day. You tied so many friendship bands. You tied on your wrist. You tied on your friend's wrist. Why? Why you do? Why you did? Why you tied the band? What is the reason behind? You can share your views in your mother tongue also, huh? Use your mother tongue to give me answer. Why you tied the band on your friend's wrist? का बांधला तुम्ही तो band?
आपल्या दोस्तीच्या नात्यात.
Yes, because we have to continue our friend. It is a friendship bond, not band. Friendship is bounding. Friendship is very strong. So, friends, try to choose your friends very, very wisely. Did you remember any proverbs related to the friendship? Can you tell me any proverb in Marathi?
A friend in need is friend indeed.
Friend is need in friend indeed. What it is it mean? What does it mean?
Means a real friend is that who helps in all your situation, means all your needy
Yeah.
situation, emergency.
Yeah. Yeah. Nowadays we are facing what we are facing. So many times I told you we are facing Corona pandemic. So many our friends are faced this pandemic. Our friends we know or heard of are going through a very struggle of life. So we have to help them. We have to understand this situation and use our brain to overcome from this pandemic. Okay. So we have to help other. When we call each other friend, it is our duty to help each other, develop each other and grow each other. We have to develop our personality with our friends. When we call friend, it is a bounding. It is not easy to be a friend. So please choose your friend very, very wisely. Okay. So this is the moral of the story, that don't betray, don't broke your faith of friendship. Okay. Don't break it, because our friendship, friends are our, what do you call, our property. Okay. So our lovingly friend is our world. So be a friend. Now we are also friend. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we are also friends. So, can we read two lines of song? We enjoyed it. It is related with the friendship. Okay. So, if possible, you can sing with me. Okay. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. Oh, the line from a very famous movie. Which was the movie?
Sholay.
Sholay. Yes, it's a story of two friends. Okay, and they maintain their friendship till the end of their life. So friendship is a bond. Trust your friend. Never broke his trust. Never broke his what do you call it? Never broke his belief. Okay, so trust your friend. So in the next session, we enjoy our another fable, that is the country mouse and the town mouse. Okay, and in the next session, we enjoy work experience class, craft, one of the good teacher at craft teaches you something till you do you enjoy this session, class?
Yes.
Yes. Do you understand the meaning of the story?
Yes.
Trust your friend. Never break this faith. Okay? And choose your friend very wisely, because friendship is our very valuable thing. Friendship is very valuable. Okay? So never break trust of your friend. Be a friend, and we are also friends. So our friendship is very stronger, and our friendship bond is very strong. So be a friend. Okay? So we will meet in our next session with a new fable, that is Country Mouse and Town Mouse, and I hope you enjoy that session also. So till then, goodbye and thank you. One more thing. Now this week we enjoy Ganpati festival, our beloved and dearest God. So please be at home and celebrate the festival happily and enjoy. Thank you, class. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.